Hey everyone, this is Dhruvin and in this session I am going to talk about one of the interesting trick about Power BI. Most of the time we are writing DAX formula or calculated column into our Power BI report and those formulas are not formatted automatically. Now what happens if you want to format your formula? I am going to show you one trick which will format your DAX code using DAX code formatter. So now let's get started and check out the trick. Here I have opened one of my Power BI report and here one of the DAX formula is created like this. Here you can see that the formula is not formatted. Now to format the formula we are going to use one external tool called Tabular Editor. The link to download the Tabular Editor is available in the description box. So download and install that tool in your machine. Once you install that tool in your machine, you will be able to find out that tool from the external tool option from Power BI desktop. So from the top ribbon, just go to the external tools and here you will be able to find out the tabular editor. Just click on the tabular editor. That will open up the tabular editor like this over here. Now from tabular editor, go to the advanced scripting. Now here you need to type one C# code. The code is model.allmeasure.formatdex. This code is available in the description box. Copy and paste it from there. So model.allmeasures.formatdex. Now you need to click on plus icon and provide and save your custom action. So basically I am just storing that custom action as format dex formula and this is applicable to measure and just click on OK, right? So the formula script has been saved successfully. Now what you want to do here is you need to execute this script. For that, go to the samples, go to the custom action and here you can see that format text formula that we just created. Click on that. So it will load that code over here again. Now select this code and click on the run script. Now once you run script, what happen here is it will show that how many formulas has been updated. So you can see that over here it has written that script executed successfully 6 model changes, meaning 6 formulas has been affected due to this particular code. Now we need to save this thing. So let's save our model, go to the file and click on save. And now let's close our tabular model. And now let's go here into our Power BI report and let's check the formulas are formatted or not. So I am double clicking here and here we are. You can see that my formula has been formatted successfully. So this is how we can easily format our DAX formula using Tabular Editor as an external tool in Power BI. So isn't that tip amazing and isn't that useful to you? Add your comment in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp and Instagram. I am uploading new video related Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents, Teams and SharePoint every day on my YouTube channel. Also, if you want to listen different Power Platform podcast, here is the podcast link. Just click on that. You will be redirected to my podcast homepage. From here, you can listen your favorite Power Platform podcast on your favorite podcast platform like Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Spotify, and much more. Also, if you are interested to listen different Instagram related content on Power Platform, here is the Instagram account. Click on that. You will be redirected to this page. Here you will find different Power Platform concept on the Instagram. Also, if you are interested for different short video related Power Platform, here is a separate channel called Digital Dhruvin. Click on that. You will be redirected to this new page. Here you can listen different short videos related Power Platform and explore more content over there. This is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session. Have a great day. Goodbye.